Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best PC cases 2021 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. The best PC cases are available in a range of shapes and sizes. They'll house your PC's components in either a modest manner or with all the eccentricity of a Gundam design. The choice is yours. Not only can you get a lot of bang for your buck these days, with RGB lighting and even built-in fan controllers, but most modern cases are also a breeze to build into. If everything goes according to plan, you'll have a gaming PC that you'll be proud to call your own. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Li & Li Langcool 2 Mesh. We can't recommend the Li & Li Langcool 2 Mesh enough if you're looking for a no-fuss, built-to-last, high-performance, competitively priced PC case and don't mind its somewhat bland appearance. Aside from being a great performing case, the Langcool 2 Mesh is also a dream to work in and offers unparalleled flexibility. The case is heavy, but feels extremely solid and is clearly meant to last. On number 4, Be Quiet. Dark Base 700. Be still, please. Dark Base 700 is a one-of-a-kind commodity. It may appear at first glance to be just another case with a tempered glass side panel. However, closer analysis shows how much time and effort went into the design. There isn't a more flexible, high-performance enclosure on the market. It's clear that Be Quiet put a great deal of thought into the design of this chassis filtration system. Every intake fan mounting location in the Dark Base 700 is equipped with a washable nylon fan filter. Gaining access to filters requires removing the front panel, but even though the front and bottom filters are extremely long, maintenance and cleaning is a snap. On number 3, NZXT H210i. The NZXT H210i is a slightly improved version of the H200i with a front panel USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C connector. Apart from that, the case is similar to our favorite mid-tower, the H710i, which is itself a miniature version of our favorite mid-tower. The H210i is designed to support mini ITX builds and is all about cramming a high-end device into a lightweight, minimalistic box. Like its bigger brother, the case comes equipped with an NZXT Smart Hub and also includes 2 fans and 1 RGB LED strip. With plentiful support for liquid cooling and full-sized components, the H200i is the perfect compromise between smaller ITX builds and larger mid-sized towers. If mini ITX is your thing, see more recommendations in this guide to the best mini ITX cases. On number 2, Corsair Obsidian 1000D. The Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D is a behemoth of a PC case able to house the biggest and baddest systems when it comes to roomy builds. With a height of 27.3 inches, this super tower has enough space for 18 fans and up to 4 huge radiators to be mounted at the same time. In addition to the stellar cooling support, the 1000D features a unique triple-chamber design with convenient French door-styled storage compartments and telescoping radiator trays for easy installation. Because it is 2021, of course, there is also an RGB lit front panel I/O with built-in smart lighting and fan control courtesy of Corsair's integrated Commander Pro controller. The Obsidian 900D has long been a top choice for massive, over-the-top builds, and it only fits that the 1000D was designed to knock it off its throne. On number 1, Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is the most feature-rich, future-proof chassis available. Despite its higher-than-average price, the case's thermal efficiency, integrated ARGB lighting, multi-layout design, and long list of features more than make up for it. Not everyone can or should spend $440 on a case, but this is a specialized, high-end chassis specifically built for enthusiasts willing to spend their hard-earned money to have the best. And make no mistake about it, the Cooler Master Cosmos C700M is one of the best. So guys, this was the video about the best PC cases 2021. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.